had a quick question regarding to, you said during your talk that we should be careful with sort of parsing the tenses of the language that we use. And my question was more to expand further on the analogy of divine forgiveness. Does the pardon that's associated with divine forgiveness, when does that occur on the timeline of a believer? As in, like, when they convert, and does that pardon upon their salvation, does that account for sins that they will surely commit in the future, since we are all condemned?
Yeah, this is a really controversial theological question, and I will simply give my opinion that I do not think that redemption actually takes place at the cross. I think the substitutionary punishment takes place at the cross. But then the process of redemption is a historical process that is realized in history as people come to appropriate and accept God's pardon. One of the interesting features that I did not have time to discuss is whether a pardon needs to be accepted in order to be efficacious. And courts have been divided on this issue, but as it now stands, a full pardon needs to be accepted by the person on whom it is bestowed. It is not enough for the governor or the president to issue a pardon. That pardon will not be efficacious until it is accepted. And I think that's wonderfully analogous to the pardon that God grants us in Christ through his substitutionary punishment. But then it is actualized historically as people come to faith and submit to baptism, and so are incorporated into Christ and thereby justified and cleansed.